Alright guys, we're back again with another adventure today. Today I want to talk about a cool drive testing tool that you guys can use and that everybody should use, whether you have SSDs, 2.5, NVMEs, HDDs, SAS drives, whatever you got plugged into your computer. You can test them, run benchmarks, and make sure everything's good. Let's get into this video. Alright guys, so we got Hard Disk Sentinel here. It's an awesome, really cool tool that lets you test your hard drive space and test your temperatures, your speeds, your errors, everything. It has the works. They have all different versions of it. So they have the standard edition, they have the professional, and they have the enterprise. The standard edition costs $22. The professional edition costs $33, and the enterprise costs like $219, and depending on how much users you're going to use, you might need a quote for it. But yeah, this thing is freaking awesome. I'm running the trial version right now. Wanted to show you guys. I found this program and it's freaking awesome. So let's get into it. And you can download it right from this website too. So I'll put a link in the description at the bottom for you guys, so you guys will be able to download it too. Freaking awesome. All right. So I already have it installed. We'll load it up. Boom. Look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. We got power on time of this drive right here that's selected. 20 hours, 16 days, more than an estimated lifespan. That's very important. And it will show it here too. Green's good. This is all good. How many terabytes have been written to it in the lifetime of this drive? Freaking awesome. We can go to this next drive. Oh, 99%. I mean, it's 8.52 terabytes, more than 1,000 days. It's already been on for 47 days, so I got lots of time on this. But hey, like I said, you don't want to wait. If you start seeing your drive getting into that orange, I would be already having a new drive and be copying it over when it's in orange. Don't wait till it hits the red, because when you're copying your files over, it might push that drive to its limits and it might die in the middle of copying over to the new drive. So once you start hitting the yellow orange here, you get a new drive and already have one ready and start copying those files over. Or if you're even crazier, right before it hits this yellow start. As you can see here, it even shows the free space of the drive of how much is on it. So that's freaking awesome. We can do surface tests, so analyze the disk surface with different methods and tests. So you can just make sure you just want to check read, check write. You can do this hard disk check it out, and then and then you can look at this temperatures. This is so freaking cool. Current temperature 45, average temperature today 45. So you can have this open when you're editing your videos, you're gaming, and you're like, hey, I want to see how hot this is. And if we minus this, we can see down here it shows the temperatures of both drives here, but it's also gonna, have them in there too. So that's pretty dang cool. As in, it's gonna show and record this. So if you're gaming, you're like, I wonder if my NVMe PCI Express 5.0 SSD, if it's being cooled or not, or so you can see like, oh, because when you go to a regular computer, let's say you're gaming for a minute and you shut it down, that SSD might cool off quick, but you want to know what's the max temperature hit while gaming. So that's important too. Okay, let's see, we got smarts, all the error codes, everything the percentage used is freaking awesome too. Really dang cool right here. We got information about the drive. This just tells you everything about this drive, every little thing. What the NVMe features supported, I mean, just everything. Look at this, my M.2, this is the 500 gig. Look, it says how much it weighs. It says the length, the width, the depth, type of NAND, everything, interface. It's just freaking awesome. Logs, the logs are good because there's no problems. And hey, if you guys like these videos, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my videos. I do these videos for you guys, so hope you guys like them. Disk performance, you can watch it in real time as it's doing stuff, little graphs down here for disk activity and transfer rate. You can have alerts. For like that one I was showing you earlier, I think it's this one. Let me make sure. Oh yeah, you can do spin. Yeah, disk problems may retain hidden real-time disk issues. So this is gonna find it. We can select different disks we want. Let's see, this one is the test one, I'm pretty sure. Short test, extended test. Let's see, I did it again, whoops. Let's see, this one is, oh yeah, we can start doing performance tests. This one's pretty cool, random sequence test. We can see the maximum throughput and everything like that. So if we hit start test, let's just do really quick here. Let's see, we get which drive we're using. Okay, we're using this one right here. Let's see, read test. See the temperature going up a little bit. We'll stop it. Yes, yes. No errors. 46 degrees. CPU percentage. It even shows us how much the CPU had to use. That's pretty freaking cool. And this is just a quick test. We can go deep test, normal test, custom test, duration test. I mean, this thing is just so freaking cool. Sustained, look at that. No little dips or anything like that. That is freaking awesome. Let's see here. There's just so much freaking tools that this thing has. Oh, this is up here, so if you want to watch these stats while you're doing your pages and stuff, look, now you can watch it up here. I think you can maybe move it. Yep, you can move it. That is freaking cool. So on the top, you can just throw it up there. That's cool. Let's see if I just click it again. Will it bring it up the thing? Yep, perfect. Figured that out. Okay. And then you can refresh this if you add more drives in. Temperatures overview alerts. Configuration alerts. And yeah, this thing is just awesome. Hey, and what I say is I hope you and your family are having a rock and rollin' day. Peace out. Catch you in the next video. And hey, make sure you're checking your data, because I don't know about you. I want to know how my lifespan is. I want to know how many this has been written to. And the cool thing is too, one more message to go. If you get a drive from the store or a drive from somebody or a used drive or a new drive that is supposed to be new, test it out on this. Let it make sure to say, hey, this has 0 days that it's been on. That is a new freaking drive right there. Or, dang, this has nothing written to it. That is definitely a new drive, not a used drive. So that's important too. All right, I'll stop rambling. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.